A lot of this is why I tell people, y'all gotta stop eating out, man. I don't just be speaking because I be speaking, man. It's not what you want, you know? Silverware and poop scoopers, right? Y'all gotta, man, be Larry. How y'all out here eating, spending your time and spending your money? Look at this. Look at this. I don't eat here. Crazy. All right, guys. In this video, we're walking through a local fast food type of chain breakfast place. They contacted us because they needed a post-construction clean. We agreed to a price, got the contract signed, and now we're actually there taking the walk through to see if we won a winner or see if we won a loser. So let's walk through it together and see what we got going on. I mean, but we don't know what. Does that go there? They gonna come in and they gonna clean. But this ain't no fried one. This is more like a rough. Is this the kitchen area? Alright. What are we doing with the equipment? I don't think we bid this right if we gotta do the equipment. That stayed? That's staying? Oh wait, I can tell you if we're doing the equipment or not. Nope. That tells enough right there. We're not touching that. We don't do that. You wanna do that? Fridge or just the floors in here? Cause that's not construction. I mean, but we can do the floors. We can have them like do the floors and all that. Someone's already doing this. Alright. I thought they was turning that I have owner. This owner definitely made a lot of stuff get changed that they weren't supposed to do. This looks like all old tiling. See that? Extra charge. Poopy. I don't know.